Hello guys, welcome to another video here on file upload. This file upload is a vulnerability that can be found on web, so web servers as well as the websites, you can call that way. So basically in this video I'm going to be treating how uh, the vulnerabilities are being taken advantage of, and I'm going to be using Metasploitable 2 to do this basic video. So basically the first thing I would like to do is to scan to see the IP of the Metasploitable, and to do that I just need to use the sudo. Let me use sudo arp-scan-r to list. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. I think this is the IP here, 192.168.32.132. In this case, the next thing I want to do is to just scan. Since I'm very much interested in the web or the web server or the service, port 80, so I'm going to be scanning using Nmap specifically for port 80. So I'm going to use Nmap-P. I'm specifying the port 80. I'm going to look for scripts-sv for version -sc for scripts, and then the IP address, which is 192.168.32.132. and hit enter. So that's scanning. So let's wait a little while. While that's doing, I can close this and let's just get a full page. So voila, we got our result, and we can see that port 80 is open and it's running on an Apache, which is basically Linux server. So that being the case, the next thing I want to do is to check out that web. I would like to check out that web, and to do that I will just go straight to Firefox here, and once it's open I would just like to, you can just go straight by typing let's use http, okay, and that should be 192.168.32.132, and you want to put that on port 80. If it's on a different port, you just you know how it goes. So hit enter. As you can see here, this is Metasploitable 2, and I'm very much interested in the then vulnerable web app, which is the DVWA. So hit that and it takes us right to this point. Okay, it automatically logged me in because I'm already logged in previously. So normally you would just get to log in with admin and password. So the username is admin, the password is password. And today we're interested in upload. So if the security level is not set to low, you can set to low. For this video we're using low, and then I'll just go straight to upload. So in this part, what we need to do is just to upload a malicious file into this place, and if we're able to access that malicious file through the server, we can get a reverse shell. Okay, basically that's what we are doing here. So in order to do that, I would like to use a specific let me see, a malicious file that is found here on Kali, which you can access via user, share, and web shells. I think under web shells. Okay, hit enter, ls, and we have ASP. These are for Windows. I think we need to access PHP, so I need that of PHP. Okay, PHP ls, and this is the file here, php reverse shell.php. okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this file, php reverse shell.php. I'll copy it into let me see here if I'm to, okay, pwd. This is home Kali. Let me create let me make a directory and file upload. Okay, so cd into file upload. Okay, ls, nothing is here. So with this, what I want to do now is I want to copy this cp php, which is what we have here already, and I want to copy it to home Kali and file upload. Okay, hit enter, and if I come over to file upload here, ls, I should be able to see that here. Okay, in order to what I need to do else here is to edit this file, because it's not going to just work. So I'm going to nano, open this file using nano, and okay, let me navigate down. Okay, so basically I'm looking to, yeah, this is what we need to change. We need to change the IP. The IP will be set to the IP of our vulnerable machine, and the port will be set to the port we want to use to get the reverse shell. Okay, so that being said, I'm just going to quickly come here to edit it. I'm going to set it to 192.168.32.132, and I'm going to set the port to, let's just use 4444. Okay, and Control O, hit enter, Control X. Okay, having edited that, you feel free, you can edit the name, you want here. So I will just leave it that way. So the next thing I want to do now is to come to upload that particular file we have created, which is a malicious file. I'll hit on browse, and I'm going straight to home. Under Kali, I'm looking for file upload, and here we go. So this is basically the file. So I'll double click on that, and I have PHP reverse shell right here. I'll click on upload, and it says successful. There are two ways. I can just copy this particular file location and add it to DVWA from this part, and just click enter and run run that in order to open or access that file. That way we can just get the reverse shell. And the other way is to also, let me see here, to copy this particular beginning, which is the // we have here, paste that here, and then copy this hackable uploads. I just want to see everything that is being uploaded, so I'll copy this, come back here and paste it, and hit enter. And that way you can see we have the files already here. We do have the files already here. So the next thing we want to do is to quickly create a reverse shell. We can use NC and -nlvp 4444. Okay, so how come it's on 444 already? So but basically we have that file already, so hit enter, and it's listening. So when we have this listening on this port, what we need to do next is just to access this file. Okay, you can access this file by just hitting enter. Oh, okay, I made a mistake, guys. I made a mistake. So I'm gonna edit this file again. So the mistake I made here is quite a heavy one. The IP address I used here should be the IP address of my Kali, which I'm getting a reverse shell to. And the IP address of my Kali is, let me open this and just type if config, and my IP is 192.168.32.128. apologies, guys. What a heavy mistake. So .128, and on port 444, Control O, Control X. So having done that, I'll open up my listener on 444 again. I'll come back to this part here. Hope it works this time. So I'm going to upload it again, browse and upload this again, upload. It was successful. If I come here, I think it has made a change. Yes, so I'm just going to hit this particular reverse shell, and it's you see it's rolling, which means we've got a reverse shell. Okay, we've got a reverse shell. So that's basically it. The initial issue was using the exact IP address. So if I come here and type ID, I can see we have www data. You can type who am I and www data. So if I wwd, where are we, ls, if you ls, you'll be able to see a bunch of other things that you can access. So we're actually inside the machine, and without further ado, basically that's that for the file upload vulnerability. And in order to avoid these mistakes when you design websites, we need to be able to set up a structure whereby it doesn't take some sensitive extensions.php, or specify what needs to be checked in, and so on. To do this, we can actually view source or view help and get more information about the file upload and what's being restricted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video, and ciao.